Hey guys, so we're going to be looking at Winter's new single, Millions. The only way I know how to really tell the difference between the two is this like sleeved part here on the back. So we have a white and a bluish style. So we're going to start with the white one and then we'll do the blue. Set that aside. I have to tear this open. Oh, it's about to fall. I have like a pile of just cards sitting over here. Remove these. There we go. I got like, my table's like the messiest thing ever right now. Ooh. Now this texture is like, I don't know how to describe it, but it feels amazing. Ooh, okay. So it looks like we have our CD here. It's kind of cute. I know Winter just judged on a show that I've been watching, YG's new show, Treasure. It's stressful. Usually I wait till those things are all done so I can know who's in the group and then just watch them, but it's so stressful seeing who's going to be picked because it's like I know who my favorites are, who I'd want to be in the group, but I guess we'll have to wait and see. So we get a little photo card. Ooh, that's cute. And I guess like a large card, or is this the lyrics card? So yeah, separate lyrics card. I like this better when it's like a black background because this white space is driving me insane. It's like my #1 pet peeve with photo books. I'm also kind of getting tired of this brick wall. I hope the other one's at a different location, the other photo book. Okay, let's look at the next one. This one's got the blue. Another amazing feeling cover. And the CD, almost the same. It's just got, instead of a white ring, it's blue. Okay, the goods are right here in the front, so different photo card. But the lyrics card's the same in terms of the photo on it. That's kind of cool. In the shadow of the, I can't think what it's called. The fence. Oh, that's cool colors. I wish there was a little bit less black and white, because like these colors, the color tone makes the photos look really cool, whereas in black and white kind of just looks a little flatter. I mean, it's fine with like the group ones because they're probably all wearing some clashing colors and stuff like that, so. See, that coloring looks so cool. So much nicer. Okay. That is it. Just gonna slide these back in. And here are the photo cards. Still think these backs are really, really cool. Oh, it still feels amazing. So in my opinion, I would go with the one with the blue, like stripe sleevey thing on the back. I liked that there's more variation of photos. I really liked these color toned ones. They were really nice because the white one was basically just brick wall and it kind of got real boring real fast. And I mean, because I see so many photo books, it's like I need a pretty good change. Member changing is not count as changing. I get you want to do the same location with all members, but there's only 4 in this group, so not really good excuse in my brain for 17. They have 13 members. I can be more understanding of the same location, but that's why I liked the blue one a little bit more, because we had some outdoors, we had some in the studios. I mean, first half I would say it was more outdoors, and then the second half was all in the studio, just moving the silk background around enough, but had too much black and white. Too much. They really had some nice color shots. I wanted more, but it was just like, why so much black and white? No. Too many white pages. I like the ones that had the black just page next to it, because it gives it a little bit more compared to just a white page. But oh my God. YG's albums are usually like hit or misses with me. So like miss, hit. So I would not recommend getting both. I would just get whichever one you preferred, you liked the best, in my opinion, if you want to get it. But I'm always so harsh on Winner. I don't know why. It's probably because their music is so good. Like YG's artists' music are so good, and then they seem to always kind of drop the ball on the physical packaging and the physical albums. Come on, YG. Just make it all amazing for me, please, in 2019. But those are my thoughts. Let me know yours in the comments down below. Like, subscribe, and share if you'd like. And until the next video. Bye, guys.